In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of OneDrive in Windows 11. If you want to stop OneDrive from actively running on your computer, the process is quick and simple. This can be useful if you no longer want it syncing files in the background, or if you just need to temporarily disconnect it while making changes on your device. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can follow along easily. First, look at the bottom right corner of your Windows 11 taskbar and find the OneDrive icon. This is usually located in the system tray area near the clock, Wi-Fi, volume, and battery icons. Depending on your setup, the icon may appear directly on the taskbar, or it may be hidden behind the small upward arrow that shows additional background apps. If you don't see it right away, click that arrow and look for the cloud-shaped OneDrive icon there. Once you find it, click the OneDrive icon to open its menu. After the OneDrive panel appears, look for the gear icon. This is the settings and options menu for OneDrive. It's typically located near the top right area of the panel. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the available actions. This menu gives you access to several OneDrive controls, and for this task, you'll be using it to stop the app from running. Now, from the menu that opens, click Quit OneDrive. As soon as you do that, OneDrive will close and stop syncing files on your computer. This is the key action if you want to exit the app completely from your current Windows session. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that quitting OneDrive is different from uninstalling it. You're not removing the app from your computer, and you're not deleting any files by doing this. You're simply closing the application so it no longer runs in the background. If you open OneDrive again later, it can resume syncing normally. If your goal is only to stop OneDrive temporarily, this method is perfect because it's fast and easy. And if you ever need to turn it back on, you can simply launch OneDrive again from the Start menu or by searching for it in Windows. That's all it takes to sign out of OneDrive in Windows 11. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look.